Hi, Brad from WordPress Sites. This is the second video, just showing you how to install WordPress locally. We've already downloaded XWAMP, and we'll be able to use WAMP, which stands for Windows Apache MySQL PHP, which is everything we need to install and set up a server locally and install and set up WordPress. So this is I'm just referring to my recent blog post because it's very comprehensive and I've got everything in there. Once you've installed XWAMP, make sure that Apache and MySQL are running in the control panel, and you've downloaded WordPress. So the first step is to create a database. We've already been through that. That's very straightforward. And the next step is to make sure your database is connected to the user, and you've already created the user as well. And make sure you write down those details, put them in a notepad. See, I've got database name, username and password. The host is localhost. I've also got the WordPress installation script address, so I've got that here as well, and those details are on my blog post. And I've also got the address to WordPress, which is included in the local installation of WAMP. So this is I can easily access that as well. So I'll just copy and paste that, put it into Windows Explorer just under the Start button, and here it comes up here, and I open that up, and you can see I've got WAMP here. So what I need to do is I just need to bring WordPress in here. Basically, I can just drag it in, or I can extract it from the zip file and just put it into this location. So we'll do that now. Okay, so I'll grab that location, I'll copy that, minimize that. Here's WordPress in the zip file. Extract files. Where do I want to extract them? So this location that I just copied. Display. This is the correct location, htdocs. So we want it in here with these. Click OK, and that's going to extract the contents in the correct location. I could extract it and unpack it here, just drag it in as well, but this is another way to do things. So that's all. Now I've got to run the installation script. Here's the address for the installation script here. Now, just before this, we have to make some changes to the config file, which is inside WordPress. So we'll go back to this location, htdocs, and we'll make some changes. Here we are. Here we've got WordPress inside, so we'll double click on that. Open WordPress. We go into the config. Now we open this in a text editor. I'm using Notepad++, and basically just put your database details in here, database name here, the username and the password, and that's all you need to do. So when you've done this and you close the file, also rename it and take sample off it and just call it wp/config.php. Okay, I just renamed the wp config file, and that's it, and that's the way it should be. Next step is to go to the installation script and just follow the installation instructions to install WordPress, which is pretty straightforward. The address for the installation script is here on my blog post, so you just copy and paste that. I've also put it into Notepad with my database details and also the other details there as well. So put all this into Notepad, it's the easiest way, and we'll just paste this into any browser. Doesn't have to be Windows, and here's WordPress right here. So we put in the site title, username admin if you like, you can change that, put in a password, and this is pretty straightforward. Put in an email, allow my site to appear in search engines, install WordPress. So this is very straightforward. Log in. And here we are in WordPress. You're set. So we're done, really. You can change the theme, click on theme, and this is the default theme. You can click on install themes, click on upload, and if you buy a really nice premium theme, you can install it that way, and that's what I recommend you do. Cheers and good luck.